Hi, I'm Ross Wilks. I'm the Head of Marketing at Vanderbilt, and I'd like to talk to you today about our new e-commerce platform. SPIAP started life as an online product catalogue almost 10 years ago now, and was never a purpose-built e-commerce platform like the new shopware platform that we're launching today. Over the years, SPIAP has served our customer base well. However, as best practice, we wanted to review the platform to see if there was any improvements that could be made. And what became apparent was the design was dated, it had slow page load speeds, but fundamentally it wasn't delivering the e-commerce solution that customers have come to expect, especially when you look at B2C platforms like Amazon. The new Vanderbilt Webshop boasts faster page load speeds, in fact twice as fast as the existing SPIAP platform. It has a mobile responsive design, which means you as a consumer can purchase products from your smartphone, from a tablet, or from your laptop or desktop, but crucially, anytime, anywhere. The new Vanderbilt Industries webshop is linked to our main website. And what that means is not only can you purchase product, but you have access to all of the product data, the marketing materials, the videos, data sheets, manuals, all in one location. There's simply no reason to continue using SPIAP. All the products that you could purchase in SPIAP are now available on the new Vanderbilt Industries webshop. SPIAP is no longer supported, and as a result of this, the content on the platform is going to become out of date. SPIAP will be closed by the end of July 2019. And if you haven't already done so, please sign up on the website or via the link below, or contact your local customer services representative.